had gone there. I think after that show only, that last reality show. उसके बाद मैं अभी जा रही हूँ because it's in Dadar. I have to go from Versova to Dadar. It's a lot of travel. But then I thought कि आजकल collaborations हो रहा है तो हम कर ही लेते हैं. And she was kind enough to kind of say कि yeah, let's do it because she's busy, you know. So when she's busy, still she wants सीधा ही जाना है भैया. हाँ, she's busy, but then she has to do collaborations also sometimes because करना पड़ता है ना, ये सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना है, मार्केटिंग करनी पड़ती है. सो आई जस्ट थॉट कि लेट्स डू इट बिकॉज माई हेयर कलर एवरीथिंग वॉज ग्रोन आउट. थोड़ी रफ भी हो गए हैं. इट्स बिकम लाइक दो साधुज हु हैव दैट हेयर लाइक दैट. But that's the way my hair is. I just don't have to do anything. It just becomes like that. After I wash it, I just leave it. So I'll see if I can do sustain or color or cut. Depends on her time, you know, her schedule. But we'll make some reels and we'll do some collaboration. And I'll show you her salon also. Her salon is nice. It's really nicely done. I'm happy for her because she's done it with a good interior. मैं उसको भी पूछ सकती हूँ कि उसका इंटीरियर कौन था जिसने सलोन का इंटीरियर किया. Because her salon interior is like like classy 5-star salon interior. Okay, bye. ये कौन सा दादर का, ये शिवसेना का ऑफिस है ना?
शिवसेना का ऑफिस है.
हाँ, तो यहाँ से आप लेफ्ट लो. लेफ्ट की तरफ. हाँ. So I am at Naz's salon. Auntie, can I shoot you?
No, not like this. Let me comb my hair. Please.
Okay, comb your hair. Then I will do nice one.
Okay, tell you take.
Are nice one. My mother will be happy. She also came once.
I've seen your mother, your grandmother who had come.
Mother.
Mother had come, no?
हाँ. Okay. So now I'm just taking like this.
Okay, chalo.
So auntie, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
Good to see you.
Give regards to your mom.
I will. She came here once and she
Acha.
loved Naz's salon.
Acha. I've not seen that because I don't come all the time.
Yeah, I didn't see you last time. Hi, I forgot your name.
Ashish. She's Behram's sister.
Yes. How is Behram?
Good.
Behram, the husband. The husband zone. Okay, and there is Naz. Where is Naz?
I think
No,
she's
she's gone in.
in
Yeah. And my hair is looking as if, I don't know what. We can chop it off. But then, if once I chop it off, I'll feel very sad that I've chopped it off. So, let her decide. She'll do, something balanced. Because everybody knows my moods. मैं आज बोलूँगी कि बाल को चॉप ऑफ करना है और फिर कल मैं बोलूँगी नहीं मेरे बाल कहाँ गए. So I don't think she'll do anything drastic with me, but she'll just make me look fresh and more younger. So I am doing what treatment का नाम क्या है? Shine Up Botox. Botox on my hair, है ना? Can you beat it? Botox on my hair. Huh? Rinse out Botox. Okay, with shine. Wow. So I'm going to shine now with my hair shining. So let's see how it is because इससे पहले मैंने हाथम 16 किया था. मैंने ये rinse out Botox नहीं किया, but we will do that because Naz is saying it's nice, so we will do it. मैंने कोई pamphlet नहीं पढ़ा, मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा. She knows my hair क्योंकि पता है ना कि पायल के बाल ऐसे हो जाते हैं. तो अभी पायल के बाल ये इसके बाद शायद थोड़े बाल जैसे हो जाए. तो हम अभी अड़के निकाल रहे हैं बिकॉज बहुत सारे अड़के हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड अड़का?
Just with it like a little brush down.
Fine.
Like a little brush
That's
down.
much more manageable. Now, so even if this stays for like 3 months, 4 months, 6 months.
See, this is the straightest it's gonna get,
Huh.
and then it's gonna start opening out. Okay.
So it'll stay with having the texture. It will stay for how many months?
So now 3 shampoos later, she's gonna have bend.
She's gonna have bend.
Bumps and bends will come.
Yeah, but the
Which is
texture,
nicer.
which is nice. But what about texture?
Texture, means texture is straight wavy curly.
This texture,
Huh.
the original texture,
Huh.
that will come
after
after
many months.
many months, no?
Many months.
But so that's it.
Many
One
months.
has to just make sure the hair is
Many-
manageable.
Yeah. Oh, it will be super manageable. The only thing
Huh.
is it will be slightly straight. Like, you know, you see
Huh.
those, like it gets
That's okay. That's okay.
straighter and
That's
then
okay. As long as it's not a treatment that's harming the hair and it's
And
making
it
it
will-
manageable.
way more manageable. You will have a subtle regrowth.
Which is okay.
Which will, like when the hair grows and when it's you start getting wave, but it will stay flatter. So when this grows, this will always have more.
Yeah, that's okay. That's
bounce
normal.
and-
वो तो मैं कुछ भी करा वो तो होने वाला ही है. So now she'll put the product and
I'll take you there now.
you take me there. Okay, ठीक है. So we are using this
But when you
just like that, right? So for my hair, it's called Botox. It's called rinse up Botox, na?
turn around,
Turn around. Okay.
it's a protein refill treatment.
Okay, great. Love life Payal. Thank you, Nas. Yeah. What is it called?
Protein refiller treatment.
Okay, protein refiller. But then rinse up Botox is the what do you call it? Marketing name. So this is what she's done to me. She has put my hair inside this foil, and that's Nas.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's cheers. She was my cheers also partner at once upon a time. But now we are having coffee like good girls. So Nas, I am finally showing your face because earlier also you don't come in my videos. You say कि मेरे को नहीं shoot करना है. We will do before after. But Nas, tell me, this salon of yours, you have done such great, work in your career. When I was also acting, I'm desperate to get back to acting now, and Nas is going to help me. But how does it feel to be doing a business on your own? Because you have been in the industry since so long, but you were always with some people. But now you are on your own. So how does it feel to do a business on your own?
I think it's great to go entrepreneurial.
Yeah.
It's different as well. I think the journey was extremely interesting, which has actually got me on board, and I've learned so much in my journey
Yeah.
that it's been easier to go entrepreneurial. So,
Wow.
and I'm enjoying every bit of it. So that's fantastic.
That's very good because you were always so hardworking, and I remember telling you, Nas, go solo, go solo, go solo. But you were like, no, Payal, I'll take my own time. But you have taken your
I guess
time.
there's a time for
Yeah.
everything. So
Yeah, but
I'm happy I took my time. I'm happy with the time now.
Yeah, and I'm so glad that I could meet your family, and it's so nice that your family is, supporting you in your entrepreneur, dream and everything. Because it's great to have a team. My husband doesn't support me. He just runs away when I tell him I need this, I need that. So I think my entrepreneur journey is right now on a, what do you call, halt. But I hope I can.
It'll pick up soon.
It'll pick up soon.
I'm sure it will.
But
I'm
please
sure
get me a manager. Please get me a manager.
Try for sure.
Okay, and I give my regards to your husband and your family. So this is what I'm doing with my hair. Now my hair will look like a hair after finish this, hopefully.